look like a real curly girl at the moment. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we are doing a One Brand Wash Day featuring Camille Rose. Why have I not done this one before? Honestly guys, I'm having so much fun with these One Brand Wash Days. I feel like I'm getting to try out a whole lot of different brands that I've never reached before. So if you like this series, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. Like, comment, share, do all those stuff and things. It'll help me to continue bringing you this information if it's helpful to you, because that's why I'm here. I don't want to be making videos that aren't helpful to you. So yeah, I hope this series is helpful. And today we're doing Camille Rose. This is the before hair. Do y'all see why I didn't know I had wavy curly hair for so long? Like, this is what my hair does when I wash it and don't do anything to it. So if you're in this boat, welcome, you're in the boat with me. We've started revamping and restyling the One Brand Wash Days because of Briogeo One Brand Wash Day blew my mind. I used a volumizing shampoo, a deep conditioner, and a gel, and that was it. In the past, I've been a big proponent of like doing all the stuff and things, using tons of different products, a curl enhancer, a gel, a mousse, an oil, a foam, all of it. Leave-in conditioner, curl cream, separating everything out. And the theme of these One Brand Wash Days is simplicity. And we dive into the ingredients of each product. Gives us a little more time to really take a good look at the ingredients. All right, enough rambling. We've seen the before hair. Now let's go play around with these products, shall we? All right, guys, here we are kicking off this wash day like any other. I am getting my hair nice and soaking wet before I reach for the clean, rinse, and moisturizing and clarifying shampoo from Camille Rose. This product is really nice. It contains some honey and peppermint, as well as some pretty gentle surfactants like decaglucoside and cocoa glucoside. It doesn't have much more super clarifying ingredients in it that I can see personally from reading that ingredients label. It does contain some honey, sesame seed oil, olive oil, and peppermint oil. It has an incredibly fresh, minty scent. Really love the fragrance, which does give it that nice, cooling, tingling feeling on the scalp. As I work this through my hair and I'm scrubbing my scalp with the pads of my fingers, I do notice that the shampoo does not have a whole lot of slip. It's what I would call a really stiff lather. The bubbles are really, really small, and it's kind of hard to distribute and move this shampoo all over my scalp. But after working with the product for a little bit, I feel like I got a really good clean on my scalp, really took my time there, and then I pulled the lather through the lengths of my hair. And rinsed my hair nice and thoroughly. I was expecting my hair to feel really squeaky, but it just kind of felt soft and clean. It felt so good after the shampoo. Then I'm going in with the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask with cacao and mango butter. I hope I'm saying that right. This product is a really interesting color. It's kind of yellowish, and it contains little black flecks. Usually I would get a little bit nervous seeing that, but this product has such a strong vanilla fragrance that I actually think that might be pieces of vanilla. Anyway, as I apply this product to my hair, the first thing I notice is, one, the fragrance is amazing, the vanilla fragrance, and two, this product has a ton of slip. I am so easily able to finger detangle my hair, and I think that's due in part to the bihydramonium methyl sulfate and the cetyl alcohol. It also contains aloe leaf juice, shea butter, coconut oil, as well as a ton of other really nourishing and hydrating oils and butters, green tea leaf extract, and a tiny bit of protein right at the bottom of the ingredients label. So this isn't terribly proteiny, but it does contain some protein. Once I've got that thoroughly finger detangled in my hair, I go in with my Perfect Hair Care brush and finish distributing the product so that I get a super even product distribution. This step really does help my overall frizz situation. This is one of those things that will compound over time. So the more you brush your rinse out conditioners through your hair, the more your hair will have less and less frizz. I sure hope that makes sense. Now I'm just going to be adding a tiny bit of water to the back of my head before I go in and do my squish to condish. This step, I really focus on pulsing and swooshing and swishing and squishing the deep conditioner and water into my hair, and I will just do this until I feel like my hair has really soaked up that deep conditioner. Now, with these One Brand Wash Days, we are skipping a leave-in conditioner and or curl cream step by using a more clarifying shampoo and then a deep conditioner, which in theory should do the work of the leave-in conditioner and curl cream. It's just what I've been doing lately. And after I have thoroughly squished this into my hair, I'm not noticing my most clumpage or shrinkage that I've ever seen, but things are looking pretty good. Now I'm going to rinse out that deep conditioner and organize my curl clumps. Usually I would be doing my leave-in conditioner curl cream at this portion of the steps. But since I'm not doing that, I'm just going in with the Perfect Hair Care brush to organize my curl clumps. Once those are organized, I will go back through my hair again with a wide tooth comb. And what this does is it actually makes my curl clumps just a tiny bit smaller. I learned this trick from Sophie Marie over on Instagram, and I've been testing it out, and so far I've been liking the results. Once I've done that, I give my hair a little bit of a scrunch to make sure that everything's organized the way I want before going in with the Camille Rose Curl Maker. This is the OG staple product from Camille Rose, if I'm remembering correctly. It's a curly cult favorite, and can we just take a moment to appreciate that this product has a pump? Can we petition all curly hair companies to pretty please put their stylers in products with a pump? This means that we can get consistent amounts of product on wash day because we can count the number of pumps that we used instead of having to measure out the product ourselves. The main hold ingredient in this product is pectin. It also contains coconut oil, aloe leaf juice, panthenol, which is an absolutely beautiful humectant. There is no glycerin and no proteins in here that I can see from a quick glance at the ingredients label. Once I have glazed that over, I do start scrunching it into my hair, and my hair immediately feels so good. It feels more slimy, feels like that hair cuticle's really laying down well. I will say, once I have thoroughly scrunched this into my hair and really taken my time doing that, I don't feel like this product gave me the most shrinkage as I scrunched it into my hair, but we will see how this product performs. I will pull out my hair and diffuse and be back to scrunch out the crunch with you guys. And here we are to scrunch out the crunch or something, because that Camille Rose curl maker did not give me a crazy hard cast, and I could kind of feel that it was going to not give me a cast as I was scrunching it into my hair on that wash day. I could feel that it wasn't going to give my hair a cast, and I think that might be due in part to the amount of nourishing oils in this product, and that's not the end of the world. You don't have to get a crazy hard cast in order to have an absolutely beautiful hair day, but I will say that when I got that crazy cast with the Briogeo hair gel, I had a really good hair day. So I've kind of been hoping that my stylers will give me a cast. This one did not give me almost any cast. Like, there's one or two pieces that has a tiny bit of a cast right at the end, but not much. It is possible that if I adjusted my product amounts and used more styler on less wet hair, if my hair had less water in it when I applied the gel, I could, in theory, get a better shot at a cast because there are certain pieces that do have a tiny bit of a cast. So that may be on me. I maybe needed to use more product for my hair density, my hair length. The more dense your hair is, the more hairs you have per square inch on your head. In theory, the more styler you're gonna need. So that's why some people use like a 1/4 teaspoon of gel and get crazy hard casts. And some people use 4 tablespoons of gel and almost get a cast. Anyway, enough chit chat. Let's reveal these wash day results, sort of. Okay, that's what it looks like in the cast. Before I scrunch it out and give it a really good fluff, because this will give you the final idea of how the hair is turning out. Find my part for the day. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I really like that. What it did to these pieces over here. The curls are like nice and soft and are really fluffy, like they have a whole lot of movement, and it's curling up higher than it has. So, ooh, I like this side too. Okay, this is pretty. This is a really soft and defined look. Like, I love that. Oh, the pieces are so cute. I'm seeing cute pieces in the back. Let's take a look at the back together, shall we? Oh yeah. Look at that one. That one's pretty. Okay. That piece got stretched out, but everything else is really cute. There is very minimal frizz on this. Did I read the ingredients label right? I really think there's no glycerin in this. I'm not seeing glycerin on the ingredients label, and that is awesome. In my mind, this right now feels like a beautiful curl enhancer. And what I mean by curl enhancer is a product with medium to light hold that really organizes and curls and clumps your hair together, but may not have the absolute most hold. I absolutely love putting a curl enhancer with a hard hold gel on top to boost the overall hold of the product. In general, super hard hold products kind of are more drying on the hair, and it's kind of nice to layer a more moisturizing, nourishing product that does contain some hold with something that's kind of drying but has a ton of hold. You put the two together and you get the nourishing and awesomeness of the one and the hold of the other. All right, that is what my hair is looking like right after I scrunch out the crunch, and I will be back at the end of the day to show you how it's holding up. And then we'll be back for day 2 to see how it held up overnight. And here we are at the end of the day, and I'm sorry to say I have quite used and abused this hair. It got thrown back in an Invisibobble while I went to the gym. Our last gym hair experiment of just wearing a headband, my hair kind of like fell apart. A lot of frizz, a lot of curl clumps breaking up. But it appears that pulling it back in a very loose, low ponytail stretched it out pretty bad. Let's take a look at the back, shall we? Ooh, that one's fallen in my face. Well, I realized that while looking for glycerin in the ingredients label on this product, I didn't explain why I was looking for it. In case you haven't seen my previous video talking about it or heard anybody else talking about it, glycerin is one of those super efficient humectants. In fact, it's the most efficient humectant that I have come across. And when glycerin is in a product that you leave on your hair, some people's hair react to that and your hair will have frizz. This one has no glycerin, so that ingredient that's a great humectant and hydrates the hair is not in here. There are other things in here that hydrate the hair, but not the one that can potentially cause frizz for some people. Okay, I will be back in the morning to show you how this hair is holding up for day 2. I will say my hair feels really nice, like kind of slippery and silky and tangle free. So that's fantastic. See y'all in the morning. And good morning. Here we are for day 2. This is what the hair is looking like after I took it out of the overnight hair protection and let it settle. It is not frizzy. As per the last One Brand Wash Day we did, there is very little frizz, but it's pretty elongated. Let's take a look at the back and see how that's holding up. You know what? That's not bad. That is some pretty good definition, if I do say so myself. This held up pretty well for how light hold I suspected the Curl Maker Styler to be. I'm impressed. I expected less hold than this product gave me. On the grit scale, it is a 0. It has absolutely 0 grit. Like, I can completely and utterly finger comb my hair right now and then break up any definition I have left, but 0 on the grit scale. My hair is 100% tangle free. That's a big deal because my hair tangles incredibly easily. So if you are really prone to tangles, this is a good one. Hold, good. Definition on day 2, good. My hair feels lightweight and nice. I'm gonna say that this one's a win. I like Camille Rose so much, and I can't believe I haven't tried this curly hair brand yet. And I've been playing around with my waves and curls for 4 years at this point. I see what the hype's about. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I sure hope that this video was helpful to you. If there are any other One Brand Wash Days we need to do, any more products we need to test out, I'm all ears because you guys are coming in hot with the really good recommendations, and I'm really grateful for it. If you want to hang out some more with me, feel free to subscribe and click that notification bell so that the YouTubes will say, hey, Courtney uploaded a video, you might want to watch it. And hitting that like button is super helpful. It helps this video reach more people. So if you think that more people need to know the good stuff and things about wavy curly hair, hit that like button. I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.